extremely satisfied po sa service at saka iba po talaga mag-accommodate ng mga customers dito sa Autobot Nueva Ecija.
Basta supportive wife, Autobot lang, pinagkakatiwala. Nice.
Alright, good morning everyone. Today is March 23, Monday, and we are back here sa Autobot Off-Road Nueva Ecija. Right behind me is a next-gen Ranger. The client is from Cabiao. We'd like to give a huge shout-out to Sir Eman and Ma'am Mel for visiting us kasi actually client na to sa Manila. Ang nag-handle sa kanila si Kevin, pero taga Cabiao sila, Nueva Ecija. So they visited our shop para magpa-install ng 3 sets general all-weather based horn. Siyempre, pag nag-install tayo ng busina, it comes with a wiring harness, it comes with a relay, fuse, bracket, custom bracket yan, 3 sets, para maging malakas yung tunog and yung sound output ng general all-weather based horn. We're back here sa workshop area ng Autobot Off-Road Nueva Ecija. So yung kanina, papakabit lang sana nila boss is 3 sets ng general all-weather based horn. However, ito na nga, nag-upgrade na sila ng Pro Fender Queen Series suspension together with the upper control arm, together with the stabilizer link and lip flap. Mag-upgrade din sila ng Rough USA flaps, tsaka ng love sight light, street light with projector fog lamp. Hopefully mamaya makakuha tayo ng testimony sa client, no? Kung ano yung naging experience nila dito, bakit ba from busina, naging dagdag suspension, naging dagdag accessories. Anyway, thank you guys.
Hi, dito po kami sa Autobot Nueva Ecija. First visit po namin dito, pero previous Autobot client na po. So, ang plan po natin today is mag-install lang ng general horn para nila sa added boost ng sound ng horn natin. Pero dahil very accommodating po yung staff nila, marami po tayong service na na-avail din at the same time. So, nasama na po natin yung Pro Fender lip package at yung mud flaps and of course yung Ford na grill na isama na rin po natin. So, extremely satisfied po sa service at saka iba po talaga mag-accommodate ng mga customers dito sa Autobot Nueva Ecija. Very spacious po, makikita nyo naman. Don't hesitate to come by kung malapit po kayo sa area. So, good experience po. Maraming pang salamat.
Basta supportive wife, Autobot lang, pinagkakatiwala. Nice.